Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, chapter 14. You can also open the book Turban e-commerce. Yeah. Maybe I will only discuss in a few minutes, yeah, because e-commerce is already, I think you have already known the e-commerce because this book is in 2005. We will discuss whether this book is a prediction of the book in current condition is accurate or not. We will discuss. It's interesting because e-commerce is the source of disruption. Some company may be disrupt, yeah, and they will close, maybe bankrupt, and etc. because the e-commerce. We will learn briefly about the concept and understanding the mechanism. Also some term B2B, B2C, C2C, and so there is new mobile commerce and also pervasive computing. And then we also discuss the issue about the e-commerce. For the opening vignette, this is only the impact of the using the e-commerce for the business. And the benefit is the expansion the company to worldwide at a small cost. For example, President University in maybe you can open this is the President University site. Every one in the world can access and see the information about the organization, and it is cheap, without need any cost, only small cost, maybe for hosting and maintaining the website and etc. That is the cost, and then they have give the service over the countries. Okay, e-commerce need some transaction, buying, selling, exchange, transfer services, or information. This is the main focus. So there is an information technology, information system. Just because this is the source of the electronic commerce. And also there is a poor and also partial. Maybe before 10 years ago for e-commerce, we only use the information, and for the transaction maybe we transaction offline or non-electronic, but only the information for the electronic. Maybe you can create the website to introduce your product, and then everyone know your product and buying, maybe using the some transfer or go to your house or your office and buy the product COD. And also internet versus non-internet. But most using the internet, because maybe for the east of Indonesia, Indonesia Timur, there is a problem for the internet infrastructure. Maybe they use the LAN or radio and etc. This is the term you have to understand. So after this course, you have to understand. If your friend, your colleague asks what is your B2B, B2C, and etc. This is the you have to understand, business to business, customer to customer, customer to business, also the government, government to citizens, and also mobile commerce. This is the mobile version of commerce. This is but actually this is the part of the e-commerce, intra-business, intra-organizational commerce, and also for the business to employees, finance, and etc. This is the scope of e-commerce. E-commerce electronic, you need the hardware, software, also the IT infrastructure, the networks. Maybe you still happy in Indonesia, there is no networks, but maybe in Ukraine there is a war and the network is not working, so they use some other communication. So for the electronics, maybe this is the main problem, for example, I have teach the student from Iraq. They not only the network problem but also the electricity. After 6 p.m. the government will close the electricity and then run again in the morning. So this is not only communication but also another, maybe this is a hardware, electricity. Support areas, so scope, people, and also the regulation, marketing, advertisement, and also kind of business transaction, payments. Maybe need some for Gojek, Grab delivery or order delivery, and also need some bank payments, conventional or online payment, PayPal, etc. GoPay, OVO, this is the non-conventional payment. And this is the advantages of e-commerce. You must be understand, because maybe 10 years ago this is still confused for student, but today of course the student has already used e-commerce or the transaction on online transaction, marketplace globally, available resources, expand certain marketing, distribution, expense reduction, inventory, and also another service related to the information. Lower price, you can search the lower price. Personalization, as 24-hour shopping, is the because global. This maybe in United States today is in the morning or midday. Electronic communities such as some communities, online communities, a group, and etc. You can interact. Also, there is a limitation. Okay, we discuss what is the true or maybe for standard. Actually, currently we have some standard, universal standard. Maybe 10 years ago or 20 years ago, the standard is need in progress. Insufficient bandwidth. Maybe today we have no problem with the bandwidth. Integration also easy currently because we have already used the standard for modeling, standard modeling. We easily use some programming using the packaging. So compare with 10 or 20 years ago, we code using typing every line of code. But today we only collect the class or the library, and we only use this library or this packet without no understanding the inside. So we usually, like in mechanical engineering, in using the component, just put and change and etc. using some easy. So there is some prediction for the programmer. Maybe in the future, we replace the programmer with some missing job for programmer in future, because some program is like component. We just drag and drop. For example, microservice and etc. This is some simple, special for integration. And maybe the another is already correct. Customer resistance is still exists. Also for the security problem, even Yahoo is hacked by stole the data and etc. So this is maybe not true today. Increasing number of buyers, because everyone now is already like buying online buy, compared to go to the store. And what is the relation between DSS and e-commerce? So why we study e-commerce for DSS? Because the e-commerce need some support, not only hardware, software, or network, but also the system for decision. For example, Garuda and etc. Scheduling on transportation optimization, scheduling, also matching buyer and seller, optimizing, improve market risk analysis, and so we minimize the risk. Transportation routes, for example, Google Map, but of course some problem in mudik, there is a problem in route, because some route maybe do not exactly the same with the Google and in the reality, so Google Map still should be improved. Assist in running business to customer. Also the SSC support in data collection, and also business intelligence. Business intelligence is the data source of the DSS. So business intelligence is inside the or part of DSS. This usually a data warehouse, collect the data automatically, push and pull from the online transaction processing, and then give the data to decision support. This is the e-commerce, the field of e-commerce. You maybe see some chart like this. This is similar with the house. This is the foundation. Without this foundation, this is e-commerce is not existing. Network infrastructure, interfacing, also business infrastructure, and this is the tiang. People, policy, marketing and advertising, support service, business. So the e-commerce will still exist today. So this is the foundation, and this is the basis. The marketing software, this is the part of e-commerce. Auctions, lelang, travel, online publishing, etc. For information system, maybe you understand this framework model. Usually you use some survey, and then you use some ECA, and then this variable can be arranged like this. Electronic mechanisms, how the e-commerce operates. Auctions, lelang, there's a competitive mechanism. This is interesting. It is forward and reverse. Forward is sell to buyer, and reverse buyer from buyer, selling place offer, and buyer make the contrary or reverse direction from seller, but this is from buyer. Buyer won, buyer, there is a buyer wants, and then the sellers appear. So bartering without money, tukar guling, bartering there is some business here, because there is a family, they have a lot of children, they have the big house, and then after their child uh, married, and then they only two in this big house, so there is a business to barter, yeah, to change the big house into the small one, because the parent is already not big family again, yeah. So and a lot of kind of business opportunity, yeah, today. Portal is similar with the website, but they content for general and also for members. The portal, for example, in organization, example is a is a problem, yeah. Quiz, this is the quiz actually is a portal. Everyone without login can access the, but I have already logged in, yeah. Similar portal in your residence, yeah. Only member can access inside, but for the guys can also see, but only the general information in this. And just the portal and gateways, single point access to a web browser. So there is a commercial, publishing, usually for some in specific interest, yeah. Book, car, and hobby, and etc. Yeah, this maybe is some portal, and also personal for the specific information, and portal also using the mobile. Yeah, there is the mobile version. There is a website and also for the mobile. So for voice, yeah, audio interface like Zoom. So corporate, support corporate portal. This content limited communities, and this is for only members. And also focal point supplier, customer, and etc. completed. Online service industries. Usually the first one is e-banking. This is the famous. 1 year ago, I make banking, ya, BCA that already full e-banking. When you make some apa ya, daftar registering banking, only use the handphone, ya. We can register the bank, but when verification, we have to use some video call, to make verification about the data. International banking securities trading, online job. This is easy because we don't need to post the document, yeah. Only use the online or file, real estate, etc. Also the market research, this is the central point of the business. We can analyze the consumer behavior. We will describe the variables, uncontrolled variables, personal characteristic, environment, and etc. And also we can analyze the intervening variables, vendor, market stimuli, and etc. This is the main subject of information system class or department. But decision making process is independent and influenced by these two variables, independent and intervening, fit into buyer decision, dependent variable, etc. It is a kind of process in decision making, generic, and also based on consumer. Also for decision guided by web forecasting models. The research, market research today we use the web. It is easy, but there is some issue in using the web. We will discuss. That is the just the decision making that we have discussed here. This is only the description. Decision making process is influenced by this factor, characteristic personal, environment characteristic, etc. Maybe there is another addition today. This is the important also, discovering customer desires using engine, search engine. For example, Google. This is the top search engine. They also have trends. Trends Google. If we want to know what is the product that everyone want, for example, university, president, sekarang. This is the trend past 12 months, and also we can compare with another, for example, Dharma. This is the trend, Dharma, and we also compare with another, for example, Harvard. Private university in Cambridge, Indonesian. Sorry. You have to public university, or maybe this is also we can compare a product, product of the product and etc. using the search engine for discovering trend. Intelligent agent monitor site activity. This is the monitoring customers. Also we can use Google Form, electronic questionnaires, site tracking. This is solve problem using cookie or spyware. Also using collaborative filtering, last session using for example Amazon, using the machine learning, collaborative filtering. We for the bintang star. E-commerce customer relation management. This is important because for example, we use internet provider, and then if there is a problem, we can open the vendor site, and then we request the service, because there is a problem in, for example, in network tower and etc. PLN or Telkom. If there's problem, we can access using this site, or using the mobile. This is important because it's related to the customer satisfaction. During live product, there is also tools available in email, accent question, answering question, website, maybe using WA, chat, web call centers, phone. And this is famous today, online advertising. You see some YouTuber have some lot of money from advertising in YouTube. For online, it's dynamic interactive, different with the newspaper. There's a lot of type, from banners to brochure, catalog online, classified. And so there is some issues. There is spam, like our email. There's also spam bomb, spam viral, and also passive, business to business applications. So, because online is cheap, maybe there is some fake advertising. Business organization to organization application, sales side marketplace, privately from seller of to organization. electronic or another lelang auctions. By marketplace procurement model, because usually one organization need another organization spare part, transportation, etc. So need some special application from one organization to another organization. Such a business application collaborative. Now this is for designing product information, etc. So need not only buying and selling new product information, also intra business commerce, to employee, to business unit, and also for sales. So this is for internal inside the organization. This is the famous e-government, but there is some lot of terms. For example, e-government, and also smart city, smart village, and etc. Actually, this is the same as e-government. E-govern, how to make governance in a city, smart city, in a village, smart village. But usually this is the same, only the focus maybe different: smart cities, smart village, smart and etc. Smart something. Usually this is the internet to the citizens. For example, KTP, ID card. Maybe if you lost the ID card, it's easily print again directly without need some from the beginning. There's three type, government to citizen, to business, and also government to another government, sharing the database information using some services, microservice, or some open data. Just e-learning, we have used an e-learning electronic, online course or Zoom, etc. But usually e-learning is using the website. This is the e-learning. Communication between teacher and student. There is some benefit, but also some limitation, especially for face-to-face. Maybe in the book is a lot of the benefit usually from this is a lifelong learning from internet. The drawbacks, the limitation is usually equipment, and also the student retention, because difficult for examination. Maybe next week I will give some examination, but for e-learning is difficult. So maybe we did some method to make the mark in fair ya, fair. Electronic payment, GoPay, OVO. This is environment another for electronic virtual credit card, processing card. This is the payment bill online. This is the problem, security in electronic payment. Data unjustified repudiation. Repudiation mean that nggak bisa menolak ya. If someone has been published something, it's mean that this is the real one, bukan orang lain gitu. Privacy, customer safety. Okay, and then this is the last legal and ethics. There is also fraud from the sellers and also for buyers. But the buyer need a protection, also the seller. Intellectual property rights, this is also the problem here. Domain name, and so this for the website tracking, cookie, sales of list, monitoring. So Facebook in the WhatsApp, the previous owner of WhatsApp says that Facebook is like a giant way grab our data. And this is the main issue. Also, tax online transaction should be monitoring by our government for tax. This intermediation do not need some intermediate. So copyright, intellectual property issues. Okay, for the decision support, you can use a lot of tools from the internet, from website, online, free, or you can, for example, this is the data wrapper. This is the simple for charting. There is only 1, 2, 3, 4 step. You can create the chart using the map. This is the COVID, and then you can access the link, embed into your website online. And also you can use the data from Google Earth Engine. This is my simple code using the trend of the rain, curah hujan. There is blue is the high rainfall, and the red and yellow is the small. And you can access some data For example, country boundaries. This is name and etc. Yeah, you can, and then access it only for Indonesia, for example, and then we run again. Yes, this is using the JavaScript. If you want to mastering in website, programming. So this is only for Indonesia, the data. Green. This is free, and you use Google server, and also Google engine, hardware and software. You can use this code in JavaScript, etc. For example, you can use another facility, using this is the code. You can just, you don't need to memorize, but only use the documents, This is curah hujan and etc. This can be used to decision support, This is freely accessing based on the Google, Google Earth, the data. This is all, for example, the average, from 2010 and 2019. The filter the data, The data is from the satellite. This is the satellite. And also another satellite maybe, for example, Landsat. For the USGS, the United States Geological Survey, the satellite, free satellite that across our region regularly and capture the surface, using some sensor, or maybe using the Landsat 8, 7, and etc. Maybe this is the information system should understand the domain. If you work in the geospatial base, you should also, maybe you work in the hospital, you need to understand the maybe a little about the medication. If you work in the business, you need to understand the accounting, business, etc. Work in the law, you need to understand the information system in law, etc. So okay, Mambing, I think I will prepare the task, final task, and then some simple next week, final examination. Okay, I will capture screenshot the attendance. Okay, I have captured the attendance. Thank you for the attention. Good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.